in this video, I will show you the important tools that every web developer needs to know, from writing codes to helping you design, test, and deploy websites. So let's get started. And the first set of tools are code editors. So code editors are your main workspace for writing codes, for writing and editing codes. The most popular one is the VS Code, which in full meaning is Visual Studio Code, and it is free and come with lots of powerful extensions. Now, the second set of tools are web browsers. Yes, web browsers. Now, what is a web browser? How does it relate to web development? Well, a web browser is a tool that is used to see what your website looks like from writing and editing codes. Yes, from writing and editing codes. And there are several web browsers that you can use, ranging from Google Chrome to Firefox to Microsoft Edge. But the most popular one that is being used is Google Chrome because of its built-in developer tools. Now, this third set of tools has to do with version control. Yes, version control. And this is one important tool that every web developer must have and utilize. And this is where Git and GitHub comes into play. Now, this tool helps you to save your project history. You can track changes in your projects, and also it also helps you to collaborate with others as well. Now let us do with tool number 4, which has to do with front end. When you hear front end, it simply means the part of the website that you can actually see. The various programming tools that deals on this front end are 3. We have the HTML, we have the CSS, and we have the JavaScript. The HTML deals with the structure of the website, while the CSS, it deals with the design and styling. Now, the JavaScript deals with how you interact with the website. So we move to tool number 5, which has to do with backend. Like front end, the back end is everything that happens in the background. The one that I use personally is Python. Python is clean and is beginner friendly. And it's easy to use and easy to learn. And they are also referred as the brain behind every website that runs. Now, the 6th tool has to do with design and prototyping. Now, before you start coding, it is must that you design your website layout first. And this is where the UI/XI design tools come into play. This is where they come into play. Now, the best of these tools are 3 in number. The first one is Figma. The second tool is Canva. Now, the third tool is Adobe X3. And these 3 tools that are listed above will help you with that, especially Canva. So now the 7th set of tools has to do with testing and debugging. Yes, testing and debugging. After you are done developing your website, you need to test it. You need to test it first before you launch it to the public, before you launch it online. And there are several tools that will help you with that. And these tools are Jest, Cypress, and Postman. And finally, there you have it, the top tools that you need to start web development from scratch. And if you have any questions or anything to say, drop them in the comment section below.